This is Link. It connects two or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair two or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But Link is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. Link uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. Link lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. Link is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. Link will find your people when nothing else will.